Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Portmore and we're going to give you a tour of the IBEX call center buildings that are being built out here. Now to the right of the screen, that is a new Hongwei Mall. It just opened, massive structure. And then to the left of it is it's three buildings. Those three white buildings are the IBEX call centers. The one next to the mall is still under construction, but the other two are up and running. This one is the one still under construction, and it should finish sometime this year. Now, the call center industry in Jamaica is doing extremely well. It's doing so well that they are now building buildings specific to the needs of the call centers. It's like I heard on the news, it was either yesterday or the day before, that the government leased a property in Mandeville, and then now they're going to spend $1 billion to renovate that property to set up a tax office. $1 billion to spend on a property that you do not own. You're leasing it. I don't think that's the way they should be doing it. I think the way they should be doing it, are not just the government, but the call centers, etc., is to build your building specific to what you need. I'm sure building these three buildings building one of these buildings wouldn't cost as much as $1 billion, because once the lease is up, you have to leave the building. So it's better you buy the land, build your building specific to how you want it, and then you're much better off. So guys, let me know what you think, especially about that building, that structure in Mandeville that they have to spend $1 billion to renovate, and they don't own the building, they're leasing the building. So basically, this is a new way the call centers are doing it now. Three very nice buildings in the heart of Portmore. This is a very busy section of Portmore. You have the Sovereign Village, you have the Hongwei Mall, you have Starbucks across the road, Fontana, CIBC, Price Mart. A lot of developments happening in Portmore. And further down this road, they have another building at Portmore Pines that IBEX call center uses. So a lot of call center operations in Portmore. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.